Ever dreamt of waking up richer than when you went to bed? What if I told you it's not just a dream, but a possibility? Welcome to the world of making money while you sleep, where your bank account grows while you catch some sleep. In this video, we're unraveling the secrets to financial slumber strategies that let you earn even when you're in dreamland. So, buckle up, because by the end of this journey, you'll have a toolkit of methods to turn your snooze time into a money-making adventure. Number 1. YouTube. Ever wondered how some YouTubers seem to swim in cash effortlessly? It's no secret. YouTube is a goldmine for those who can crack the code. The key to success on this platform requires more than just uploading videos. It demands a commitment to creating captivating and engaging content. YouTube operates on the currency of viewer engagement, with algorithms favoring those who can keep their audience hooked. The potential financial returns, measured in CPM cost per 1,000 views, can be substantial. Earnings per 1,000 views can range from $2 to $10, with an average of around $5. This means that if your content attracts 1 million views, you could be looking at a payday of around $5,000. Number 2. Invest in stocks. Diving into the world of stock market investments is a classic yet powerful method to make money while you sleep. Imagine your money working for you, growing effortlessly in the background. By carefully selecting stocks, particularly those known for high dividends, you create a steady income stream. The stock market operates 24/7, allowing your investments to generate returns even as you catch some shut-eye. While this strategy requires initial research and a thoughtful approach to risk, the dividends earned provide a continuous income source. It's like having a silent financial partner as companies thrive. So does your passive income. The magic ingredient here is compound interest, turning your initial investment into a growing asset. While stock market investments come with inherent risks, the potential for financial growth and stability makes it a compelling avenue for those seeking to build wealth over time. Number 3. Automated dropshipping or print on demand. Imagine having a business that runs itself, generating income even as you catch up on sleep. Enter the world of automated dropshipping or print on demand. This e-commerce strategy allows you to sell physical products without the hassle of managing inventory. Your online store becomes a well-oiled machine, autonomously handling everything from orders to shipping. Utilizing platforms like Shopify, you can integrate third-party services to handle production and fulfillment. The key is finding reliable suppliers who handle the heavy lifting, ensuring a seamless customer experience. It's like having a 24/7 salesperson who never asks for a day off. As customers place orders, the products are manufactured and shipped directly to them, leaving you with nothing to do but count the profits. While it requires initial setup and ongoing optimization, the beauty is in its passive nature. Once the system is in place, you can wake up to new sales and a growing bank balance, making automated dropshipping a lucrative option for those seeking financial independence. Number 4. Invest in real estate. Owning and renting out real estate is a time-tested method of generating passive income, transforming your property into a consistent moneymaker. Whether it's through renting out a spare room on Airbnb, owning a vacation property, or becoming a landlord, the possibilities are vast. Investing in real estate requires thorough research, strategic planning, and effective management, but the rewards can be substantial. Picture this: while you're sleeping, tenants are paying rent, and property values may be appreciating. It's like having a silent partner in your financial journey, working tirelessly around the clock. By selecting attractive markets, securing suitable financing, and managing your investments wisely, you create a reliable source of income that grows while you rest. While it may not be entirely hands-off, the initial effort pays off in the form of continuous revenue streams and the potential for long-term financial stability. Number 5. Write an ebook. Ever dreamt of turning your passion or expertise into a passive income stream? Self-publishing an ebook could be your ticket to making money while you sleep. The process begins with crafting quality content that resonates with your target audience. Choose a focused topic or niche with demand, ensuring your ebook stands out in a crowded digital marketplace. Platforms like Amazon Kindle make it easy to publish and distribute your work, providing access to a vast global audience. Once your ebook is out there, every sale becomes a source of passive income. It's like creating a little money-making robot that tirelessly works while you enjoy your beauty sleep. The key is to market your ebook strategically through social media, email lists, and even your blog, creating a steady stream of sales that require minimal ongoing effort. So, as you drift off into dreams, your ebook continues to contribute to your financial goals, making it a creative and rewarding way to earn money while you sleep. Number 6. Affiliate marketing. Picture earning a commission for every sale, all while you're enjoying a good night's sleep. That's the allure of affiliate marketing. This method involves promoting products or services from other companies and earning a slice of the revenue for every sale originating from your unique affiliate link. The key is to align with products or services that resonate with your interests and values, seamlessly integrating them into your online presence. Whether through blog posts, social media, or other online platforms, your affiliate links work silently in the background, making money without demanding your constant attention. It's like having a team of sales representatives tirelessly at work, even when you're offline. Number 7. Online courses. Unlocking the potential to make money while you sleep has never been more accessible than through online courses. If you possess knowledge in a specific skill or field, sharing it with others can become a lucrative venture. Online courses act as your 24/7 sales team, working around the clock to educate and generate income. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy allow you to create courses with user-friendly interfaces and drag-and-drop editors. It's like building a digital classroom that works independently. To promote your course, create free content on YouTube or social media, showcasing your expertise and driving traffic to your course. For those with a budget, employ lead magnets and lead generation funnels supported by email marketing strategies. The beauty of online courses lies in their scalability. Once created, they continue to earn money without additional effort, making it a powerful avenue for those seeking passive income. Number 8. Sell digital products on your blog. Your blog can be more than just a platform for your thoughts. It can be a digital marketplace. Selling ebooks, online courses, or digital downloads turns your blog into a 24/7 store. It's like having an online cashier that doesn't need sleep. Strategically promote your digital products through your content, social media, and email campaigns, and watch your blog become a reliable source of income, even as you catch some much-needed rest. Number 9. License your photos. If you have an eye for photography, why not turn it into a passive income source? Licensing your images through stock photo sites is a fantastic way to make money while you sleep. Building a diverse portfolio and strategically curating selections for commercial use on platforms like Shutterstock and iStock Photo can generate income passively. It's like turning your photo library into a cash machine, with royalties rolling in while you're in the land of dreams. Number 10. Rent parking spot. You might not think much about that empty parking spot, but someone else might find it valuable. Apps today allow you to rent out your parking spot. It's like having a mini real estate venture right at your doorstep. Whether you live close to an airport, transportation hub, or corporate offices, your parking spot can become a sought-after commodity. With minimal effort, you're turning unused space into a consistent source of extra income. Easy, efficient, and definitely worth considering. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to making money while you sleep. From the virtual realms of YouTube to the real-world opportunities of real estate and parking spots, there's a method for everyone. So, as you close your eyes tonight, dream big, because who knows, your bank account might just be dreaming bigger. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.